Briggs Riely's patented CX expansion compression system is truly revolutionary. The only one of its kind, it allows you to pack up to 34% more and compress the bag down to original size. To engage CX, simply pull the release hinge outward while lifting the top and bottom frames of the suitcase. You'll notice the sides of the bag stay firmly raised, allowing you to effortlessly pack to the brim. Once you're done packing, close the lid and zip the bag shut. Then, press down on both sides of the suitcase to compress down to original size. Thoughtful innovation, backed by our 100% lifetime warranty, is why the Baseline collection sets the standard by which all other luggage is measured. Engineered for reality, guaranteed for life.